you want to make an outro like this, then you're in the right place. So subscribe and we could get started. So we actually need to get the outro template, and we're going to get that from Google Chrome. So we just go on to Google Chrome and search out outro template, and like we have like a whole bunch of them. I'm just going to click on this one, and I'm going to save this one. And I'm just going to save this one because I want to use this one. So I'm going to save this, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get outro background. No, I don't like any one of them. So I'm just going to search for white background. And like you have a whole bunch of options to pick. So just select the one you want. I actually have gone through this and I have picked a particular background that I use for all my stuff. So I'm just going to go into, and now that I'm there, the first thing I want to do is I want to get my background. So I'm going to go to photo albums, and I'm going to scroll down to where I have it, which is in thumbnail. And this is the white background that I'm going to be using. You could totally use whatever you want, but for me, I want to use this one. So yeah. Then the next thing we're going to do is we are going to take the, so this is what we have, and we're just going to increase it so it just fits the box. So yeah, now that we're sure that it does fit the box, we're going to click on alpha and reduce it down, because all we need from this image is the box, the shape. So I'm going to click on add item, and I'm going to click on this. So I'm going to just mess with the size just to get the perfect size. Reduce the height a lot, because just what you want to do is make sure this fits. Reduce the width a lot, then take it down. So this is it. I think it does fit now. Yep, this is what we have. And then you're going to go to add item, and you're going to add circle, and next you want to reduce this, really reduce this, and it's still too big, so we're just going to keep reducing it. So yeah, we have this also. And then the next thing we're going to do is add the last box, which is this one. This is what we have. So now we're just going to remove this, just going to take it out, remove. So now we're going to write thanks for watching, all in caps, thanks for watching. I'm going to change the font to what should I make the font? Yeah, black script regular. So I'm going to make this the font, and I'm going to increase the size a whole lot and change it to black, because we definitely cannot see anything. So yeah, so thanks for watching. I think this is good. Let me check this one. Yeah, this is good. Then write subscribe with this. Then I'm going to curve it, and I'm going to style it, stroke alpha up. Width should be okay. What is the width for this one? 16. So this should also be 16. and then just stroke, then we'll curve it this way. So yeah, now this is where we are at. Just place this properly, and the next thing we want to do is we want to write Nwosu, Nwosu. So Emmanuella, then again place it here, style it, stroke alpha up, this should be 10, and style down -3, then this should be -35, and yeah, place it right here and do this again. Emmanuella, place it here, style alpha, make this 10, style alpha up, this down, -3 and 35. So this is it. I'm going to drive this down to the extreme end, and this is what we have. So the next, I want to go to Google Chrome and get this transparent PNG for Twitter and Instagram icon. So Instagram PNG, and I'm just going to search for the black one because I want it to actually rhyme. So let me just save this and hope that it is actually nice and real. And I'm going to get the Twitter PNG also. Twitter PNG. I'm going to scroll again till I see the black one, because that's what I want to use. I want to use a black PNG. So now that I've saved this, I'm going to come back here and add them. So this is the PNG. Did it even work? No problem. Just going to, reduce the size of this. Reduce the size of this. I'm going to reduce the size of this a whole lot, just so it rhymes. And the good thing about this is it's actually white, so it's not really obvious that the PNG didn't really work. I hope it doesn't really show for the Instagram one also. Icon, So this is my Instagram icon, and I'm just going to reduce it also, like really reduce it in the. What's the size? What's the size of this one? 49. So I should make this 49 also, Okay, now this is perfect. 61. So this should be 61. So this should be 61. Okay, so this is what we have. This is how I made this. This is how I made this. And I added glitters. So now I just saved this, and the next thing I did was I went into iMovie and created a movie with this. Clicked on photos and added this. And you have to make it 20 seconds. So yeah, 20 seconds, exactly 20 seconds. Yeah, so 20 seconds, just make this 20 seconds. Yeah, so this is actually what we have. You just make it 20 seconds, and the glitters is like totally optional, but I added glitters in mine because I just wanted it to sparkle. You could definitely do this if you want. Just go to YouTube and glitters green screen, glitters green screen, and you have like a whole bunch of options to pick from. So and come back to iMovie and add your green screen. So guys, that's how I got this outro done. It's like really easy. You could totally do it. Just get on to Google Chrome, download everything you need, and go back to phonto, add there, and make it stylish, make it your style, and boom, you have this done. So that is it, you guys, for this YouTube video. I hope you liked it and found it helpful. If you did, then give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Also, comment down what video you want to see next. I love you all. Bye.